I have my ID.4 for 2 years now, and I've been lazy and have not replaced the wiper blades, and they're not doing great. It's springtime in New England and lots of rain, and it's time to replace them. So let me show you how to do it. Step number one is obviously to get the wiper arms up in the service position. Many ways to do it. The easiest way is when the car is on, you switch it off by putting it in park, getting ready to leave, and then just press that. So basically, the ID.4, actually, I think most of the VWs have this option where when the car is going into park, about to leave, it offers a shortcut to put the wipers in service position, because it makes sense. If you are in a snowy area, you may want to do this when you are done if you're parking outside. So step one is done. Let's go figure out the wiper blade replacement part. So these are the blades that have been recommended to me, and the review seems to be good. Bosch ICON series. They have another series that is supposed to be pretty good as well, but I'm going to try these. The blades are of an equal length, as you know, right? So the driver's side is longer, the passenger side is shorter. So you buy them in these asymmetric pairs. They are Bosch ICON. The 28 AOE is the long one for this side, and then the 18 OE is the other side. So it's supposed to be really easy to do. So let's see if I can do this. So I guess step number one is to get the blades out of the housing here. So they come with these adapters, but I believe I don't need them. So this is the shorter one. So let me see. So I think it's supposed to press on this thing and then it comes out. So that unlocks it. There you go. So that's quite easy, right? Press on this part, the springy part. We'll see that. And then it just unlocks and come out. And then this is just a housing. So this is this guy. And I'm assuming there's no direction. Actually, there is direction because it has to go in this way. So let's see if this thing would just slide in. So flip this in. So again, this is how much of a newbie I am. I was fighting the tension on the arm, not realizing that you can put it up here. Now I don't have to fight this tension. It'd be way easier. So after struggling for quite a bit, I realized a couple of things. One is I was fighting the tension trying to do it over there. I should have just lift this up, and now it's in a good place. Secondly, the blade, the standard attachment that came with the blade installed, number 2, is the wrong one. That's why it doesn't fit. So it comes with all these other ones, and just by comparing it to the existing blade, right, I realized the right one is number 4. So the number 4 from Bosch matches the one on the ID.4. So I need to switch the adapter on the new blade with number 4, and it turned out that it is just a matter of prying it off. So I did that off camera because it's kind of hard, but I just insert a little prier on both sides and just push it up. So now, new blade, number 4, this thing should just snap back in, hopefully. Let's do this on camera. All right, so snap in, number 4, and it should just go in quite easily. that's it. So press to take it out, step it back in, and move the angle here. That's the new blade. So let's try it on the other one. So again, press. Put it off. The new one with number 2, gonna pry this off. I'll try to do this on camera. Let's see if do that. There we go. All right, remove the number 2. Box of adapters. Number 4. I just realized this one has a direction. I hope I get this one correct. Up. So before I put it in, just as I said, there was a directional mark on the blade itself, and that should be matching because I just realized it is directional. There is a flat part and the smooth part here. So that is that blade. But let me double check this guy to make sure that I have it right. I think I do, because let me take this thing off. Not as easy. Right, so there's an arrow there that way, because as I said, this aerodynamic wing part faces that way. So now that I know how to do this, it's quite easy. This is how I replace the wiper blades on my first edition ID.4.